Hi again, I'm Julie the Whippy Chicken. I am back with day 15 of the 31-day series, Crochet Life Hacks. So I love this idea. This is a bathroom organizer. It is available on Ribbler.com. And I love that it uses just a regular old wooden hanger, and you can just kind of hang that on the door or hang it maybe on the back of the door on a hook, or even on like the shower curtain rod or towel rod, you know, something like that. I love this idea. I'm gonna just open it up to see if I can find some more pictures and information for you so we can talk about it a little bit more. I think it's so pretty how it uses like this shell stitch and the very neutral color. It's just, I don't know, I think it's really, really pretty. All right, so this pattern was written by Anna D. It is just called the Bathroom Organizer. And like I said, I really love the little shell stitches in it. It's just so pretty. She used Red Heart Creme de la Creme, which is a medium weight worsted yarn, and she used 3 skeins of it. It's listed as a beginner level, and yeah, not much else to say about it. It's just a really cute pattern. Okay, so let me know what you think of this idea. Is this something that you would use in your bathroom? Is this something that you would use while traveling, maybe? You could put your things in there, roll them up, put them in the suitcase, and then hang them right up at the hotel, right? I like this idea a lot. I think it's really pretty, and I think it would be really useful as well. So yeah, let me know in the comments below what you think. And if this is something you're interested in making, of course, just like always, click in that link in the description box below. It'll link you to my Pinterest board, which will then link you to this pattern. So easy peasy. Until tomorrow, I hope you're having a great day and keep on hooking. Bye-bye.